Hi. Today's lazy veggie video is quite simply the easiest apple pie that is imaginable. And what's more, it's really tasty. I hope you enjoy the video, so let's get on with it.
The secret of this particular recipe is the jam, which we're going to line the base of the pastry with. It's going to have a little bit of cinnamon and some vanilla mixed in with it, and then we're simply going to spread it across the base of the pie. So you've already got a particular flavour there, and the jam you use is entirely up to yourself, but here I'm using some fig jam. So square cut your apples, you've washed them, so you don't need to bother with peeling them. And then a little bit of lemon juice and sugar on the top. When it's ready, just pop it into a hot oven for 20 minutes. And you can always vary it by trying something like orange marmalade. Delicious.